Dear students, today we are going to learn decimals by Art Integrated Activity.
Yes, yes.
Shall we start?
Yes, yes. Decimal is a point between the two digits is a decimal point. This point separates the fractional part and the whole part. Example 5.9 is the whole part, 0.99 is the decimal part. Place value of decimal: tens, hundreds, thousands, tens. Each part is called a tenth. 1/10 is written as 1/10. Decimal form of 1/10 is 0.1. 100 is written as 1/100. Decimal form of 1/100 is 0.01. 1000 is written as 1/1000. Decimal form of 1/1000 is 0.001.
Parts of decimal. 75 is whole number part. This is decimal point. 42 is decimal part.
Type of decimal: like decimal, unlike decimal, equivalent decimal. Like decimal. Decimals that have same number of decimal places are called like decimal. 0.5 and 7.4, 14.5, 40.56 and 2.75. One decimal place, two decimal places. Unlike decimal. Decimal with different number of decimal places are called unlike decimal. 0.767.25. One decimal point, two decimal point. Comparing decimal. First convert them to like decimal.
Comparing decimal. This represents 0.3. This represents 0.6. 0.6 is greater than 0.3. Addition of decimals. Add 1 plus 0.4. 1 represents this. 0.4 represents this. Add 1 plus 0.4 is equal to 1.4. Multiply 0.3 and 0.4. Collect 3 columns in red and 4 rows in blue. Finally, count the squares which are colored with red and blue.
Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.